blue spotted ray. I have a good number of sharks in my collection, but I only have 3 rays. So you're getting a very select view of the rays in my collection, but this one might just be one of the most colorful rays in my collection. While I do have 3, I have 2 stingrays, and this is one of them. Just like the spots on the real blue spotted ray, these spots are not regularly shaped. It's a beautiful fish though. I have to admit that it is beautifully done. Good job, Safari LTD. Paint job, it scores a 10 out of 10. Sculpt. This is a hard one because there isn't a way to read its body language, but it does look like a typical stingray, though one thing is not featured on this figure, and that is the barb. Now, I love the eyes on it. You can also see sort of where the spiracles would be. That's what that impression is right there. And we'll talk about that later. Realism. Oops. I forgot. Realism. I could have taken a point off for the lack of the barb on this one, but I'm not going to. Not at all, because it has where the spiracles would be, and that's amazing. The spiracles allow the ray to take in water while it's buried in sand. Without those, they couldn't breathe. Thank you, Safari LTD, for a beautiful creature. Closing thoughts. Sometimes you look at an animal and wonder just how blessed we are to have it living amongst us. Honestly, it's hard to envision the world without its creatures, even the venomous and poisonous ones. They all have a place on this earth and all deserve to live. And what's more, the dangerous ones have a right to live. And this species has been here longer than humans, and we need to respect them and let them live. So for now, this is me saying see you in the next one.